Sheldon here, and I want to be on Gurley to go down by the square. There's the Apache Lodge. A little bit of pink and orange in the sky still. Thumb Butte's really in silhouette now. This is Rush Street. Take this to get over here to Gurley. Well, that wasn't too bad. If I'd have hit that faster though, it would have hurt. And this is Gurley here. Cooler the night air gets while I'm out in it, the more I cough. Filiberto's Mexican food over there. I smell somebody's charcoal. I don't smell any meat cooking, I just smell the charcoal. It's 7:30. Just crossed Mount Vernon. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are posted. Thank you. Street. This signal here is this Marina? Or is Marina the next one down? Yeah, this is Marina. Okay, so now we're in historic downtown Prescott. The Hacienda Inn has got some lights lit up. I don't see any lights in the... Well, there's one anyway over there. I don't know if they got any guests or not. And there's almost no traffic down here for Saturday night. And this is Cortez. That's the courthouse square or courthouse plaza, whatever you want to call it, over there. And of course all of the restaurants and bars are either closed or just doing takeout. Most of the bars are just closed, even though the governor said you could take out alcohol now. But I guess that's not that much fun. You just go, if you're just going to take it home and drink it, you go to the grocery store and buy it and drink it at home. There's the dinner bell, which is never open for dinner, even when they are open. This is Grove Avenue, which is going to become Miller Valley Road. And then when it crosses Iron Springs and Whipple, it becomes Willow Creek Road. But 7:30 on a Saturday night, there's nobody downtown. It's another Saturday night and uh-oh, started to sing again. AutoZone's still open. I thought they closed at 7, but I guess I was wrong. Either that or that car that just went in there is going to be disappointed. CVS. Pretty sure they're still open. Well, maybe not though. That is one thing about here, other than the nightlife areas and the restaurants, a lot of things just close up. Sometimes they close, a lot of, in the wintertime, everything's closed up at 5 just about. When I first moved here, they used to always say, yeah, they roll up the sidewalks at 5 o'clock. Grocery store, and they still got quite a few people grocery shopping over there. Well, at least the signs are on, whether they're open or not. I know Wells Fargo is closed now. They only open their drive-through and by appointment for stuff you got to talk to a banker about. And this is Iron Springs Road here that I'm turning left on. Circle K. Now it's going to start getting real dark. Just past that light up there, there's not going to be anything lit up. Still got to get my truck washed now. I know it's not going to rain. Maybe I can do that tomorrow. Oh yeah, Alfonso's drive-thru is open. There's somebody in it. And that's going to be it. Now it's not going to be anything lit up. Bruce's Italian restaurants is still got their sign lit up, but they're not open. I don't like it though. Just my opinion, a lot of people do. Italian food must be different on the East Coast than what it is out here in the West, because everybody that comes here from the East loves La Bruce's. And I just don't think it's very good at all. where my sister lives in Clay, just outside of Syracuse, she says that Italian restaurants are real popular. Everybody likes Italian. A Mexican restaurant opens up and they never stay in business. Me, I love Mexican food much better than Italian food, except for pizza. I love pizza. Pizza's my absolute favorite food. There's no food I like better than pizza. Then after pizza, I like good rare beef, good steak, good roast, good prime rib that's rare, blood rare. Then I like Mexican food. Then I like Asian food. Then Italian food. Yeah, I'm not too fond of German food. Oop, wrong button. There, I want my high beams on. So I can see if there's any deer alongside the road, hopefully, before they come running out at me or in front of me. We got a lot of deer here. Yeah, it's a lot cooler here. Glad I'm only going 25 miles an hour. Yeah, and I'm getting cold, but my house is going to be hot, so maybe I should let myself get cold. Then the house will feel good to me when I first go in there. All that extra insulation I paid for when we first bought that place. R19 in the walls, R38 in the ceiling. I think it's R30 in the floors. And dual pane insulated glass, and the exterior doors are, but I think they're only like those doors I think are only like R8 or R9 something like that. But it doesn't even have to be hot for my house to get hot by the end of the day. Although, you know, I can open up windows and put some fans in because the air's really cool. But my wife doesn't really like the windows open. She thinks it lets exhaust and bugs and dust in the house. But then she's always saying, we need a screen door so we can open up the front door. I don't like screen doors. They're always catching my heel, and they're a pain in the neck when you're coming in there with your arms full of groceries or anything. And I keep saying, well, what's the difference between opening the windows or having a screen door? And then she doesn't have an answer, but she still thinks that opening the door with a screen door is better than opening the windows. And here we are, just about home. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't miss the next thrill-packed, exciting adventure.